Hi everybody. Remember I got this Emirates
Airplane?
When
did you get it?
Last year?
Last year.
Why did you get it?
Because we flew Emirates.
Yeah, where did you go?
Dubai.
Dubai, and we flew Emirates, and it was what? Airbus?
A380.
And we got it. We got it there.
Yes.
Here it is. Very cool. So, we have a video about it, yes? How you assembled it.
Yeah.
So, what's going on now?
KLM plane!
You got a KLM plane! Yeah, look at
We
that.
flew to Amsterdam.
You went to Amsterdam with which airline?
Boeing and KLM.
KLM Airline, and we flew Boeing 777. Okay, here is 1 to 200 scale. Good. It's blue, white and blue. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Unbox it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's unbox it. It was about 25 euros, I think. And we bought it, where did we buy it? In The Hague, right?
The Hague.
Yeah, they also sold it at the airport there. I think it was a little bit more expensive, so.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay, let's unbox it gently. Need help? Let me know. Now look at that. Let's see. Let's see the Emirates.
I see the plane.
Yeah, the plane. The Emirates is 1 to 250 scale. Okay, so it's a little smaller. Okay, here's the airplane. Oh my god,
Let me get the parts.
so skinny. It is skinny.
Here it is.
Here the wings, right? Is it the wing?
Let me get the other
No,
part.
it's probably for the back.
Oh, here's the
For the
kick.
tail.
Here's another stand.
Okay, here's the stand. This one is transparent. I prefer the KLM stand, unless this one also has another. I think there's gonna be another piece for this because
Yes.
this one doesn't stand. Okay.
Oh look.
Anything else? Okay, that's the other piece for the stand.
What else do we have? What is that?
What else is there? Instructions? Nothing else?
Nothing else.
Okay.
Let's assemble it.
Beautiful box.
First thing that we have here is the KLM plane.
Yeah, that's the plane itself.
Let's open it.
So did you like your flight? Was
Yeah.
it good?
Yeah.
What did you do? Did you sleep all the whole flight?
Not the whole. Yes, I
Yes?
slept the whole flight.
You didn't do anything else? They gave a lot of food. We didn't record, but they gave us a lot of food. We were flying back. It was about 10 hours, and they gave us.
What? 9 hours.
It was 10 hours.
How did you know? Oh, because we.
No. It was 10 hours.
Delay.
Going there was 9 hours. Going back was 10 hours. And then they gave us. It was in the morning, so they gave us breakfast. Then they gave us a snack sandwich, and then again before landing they gave us what was that? Dinner, I guess, lunch, whatever it was.
Look, I got the
Okay,
wing on.
one wing is on. Good, beautiful.
Another wing.
No, by the way, we were watching some video yesterday. I need to watch it, the whole thing. They said if you don't want turbulence, you should sit over the wing, because that's like the place where it will be least turbulence.
Yeah, I had less turbulence.
What do you didn't? We didn't have much. You know, sometimes it's shaking really bad.
Like, do we have that?
We didn't have bad turbulence, so we're fine. We're fine. Okay, so you're saying you're sleeping, but you're not sleeping. You slept a little bit, but what were you doing? Watching movies?
Yeah.
Cartoons? They had like a parental controls.
Here
so
we
if
go.
they know the kid is sitting in the seat, they set it up for parental controls. I guess in case the parent is sleeping and cannot see what the kid is doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the kid doesn't watch some the rated R movies. Okay, what is that? That's for the tail, right? Okay, good. Look at that. Oh, Emirates has this too. Emirates also has these little things. Okay, yeah, I think we're gonna put them here. There's something
Yeah,
there.
I see them.
None of them have the chassis. The little wheels. Why don't you sit down? Sit down there. Well, you guys like KLM? I like KLM. I like Amsterdam Airport. It's very cool. we were staying next to the airport, and we went there. They have this, they have a lot of stuff to eat, and they have a supermarket there. Before you even go like through security, so we would buy like stuff there. We bought some souvenirs there, the supermarket. If you go inside the airport, the souvenirs are like almost double the price, the same exact things. Yeah, so okay, go and put it that way. Yeah, I think it's the right way.
Yes.
And then we'll just have the stand left. Yeah, it's very beautiful. I like it, blue and white. Okay, now we're assembling the stand. I'll be done. Super quick and easy. Even a kid can do it. We went to Amsterdam. We went to The Hague. Unfortunately, I went in the summer, so the tulip season is already over. But maybe we get a chance to go once again eventually, and we'll see that. I don't know. Uh-oh.
It's slippery.
Slippery. Okay, let me know if you need help. So the KLM is supposed to be bigger because it's 1 to 200. Okay, is it done?
Yes. Yeah, you can remove the kid stand and
It's okay, just put it on. Put it on the stand so I want to see. Let's see. It is done, guys. It's beautiful. Look at that. It looks way skinnier than Emirates. Look at this beautiful. Oh, because Emirates has two. It's a two-story plane. Yeah, because I think this one has first class on top. Yeah, now I see. Now I see what's the difference. Okay. And this one, everything's on the same floor, but we have two doors. We came in through this door, and there was, I guess, first class was coming in through here. Yes, very cool. What do you think?
Good.
Good. It's very beautiful. I'm happy we bought it. I'm really happy. I like KLM. Which one is your favorite airline? Tell me.
Not this one.
Not this one? What do you mean? Which one is your favorite airline?
Emirates.
Emirates? Okay. Which ones did you fly? Which airlines did you fly?
Emirates and
KLM?
KLM, not this one.
This is like a NASA plane. So that's a NASA plane. The one that has a shuttle on top. Okay, but what other airlines have you flown? I think Air France, right?
We have not bought an Air France plane.
Yeah, we don't have the Air France plane because I'm not very. It's not my favorite airline. Also, you have to go to the Charles de Gaulle airport, which is a nightmare. Last time we had to run through it.
Yeah, I actually like the airport.
Which airport?
The France airport.
Air France? We had to run through it, and also they changed the flights a lot. A lot of people miss their flights. I mean, it's not a good one.
But I'm not talking about Air France. I'm talking about other airlines at that airport.
Well, I don't know. We've flown Air France, I believe. I mean,
how come their planes get changed? Because one time we flew Delta to New York, and our plane switched gates.
I don't remember, but yeah, we've flown British Airways a long time ago, like many years ago. Oh, you know which one I like? I like EVA. That's the Taiwanese airline. They stopped in Taipei. We went to Japan. It was a long time ago, and they had a Hello Kitty plane. Everything was Hello Kitty. They gave us the sleepers Hello Kitty. The toilet paper in the bathroom was Hello Kitty. It was just so funny. Yeah. So that one is. Oh, you know, my favorite is Singapore Airlines. They're like one of the best airlines. But yeah, I haven't flown with them in a long time. But yeah, Emirates is considered one of the best. And in Europe, I like
the
KLM.
first class.
Yeah, but it's too expensive. I think they offered to upgrade to business class for 10,000. I think it's for two people, right? Because there's no way it's for one person for 10,000. It's insane.
How does business class look?
I mean, you saw it, right? I think we walked through it.
I'll remember.
You can I think it opens up and you can lay down.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I guess the price, it was like for two people because there's no way 10,000 is for one person business class. Has to be two. But Yeah, I don't know. Doesn't feel like it's worth it. Okay, guys. Well, let us know if you have any airplanes. Do you like airplanes? Do you like flying? Do you like traveling? We just came back from vacation. It was. Did you like it?
Yeah.
What do you like the most? The food?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, what was the favorite food in the Netherlands?
Stroopwafel, the Oreo version.
Oh yeah, they had like they can put different toppings, marshmallows. I think it was marshmallows, and they put Oreos, right? Yeah, they have different places. I don't know. We went to some place we saw. I mean, it was like, I don't know. I don't know if it was the best, but I only tried it in one spot. Then we also tried those little pancakes. I forgot the name.
They're chocolate pancakes.
Yeah, you put like chocolate sauce on it. But you can put different things, different toppings. And also we tried this stump pot.
Oh, I forgot about that.
It's like a meatball and potatoes and mashed potatoes, and they put like different things. I think I had like spinach in mine, something like that. I think you can put like broccoli, different things. It was very good. It was a lot of food though. Yeah. So yeah, it was nice, right?
Yes.
It was really good. When the weather was nice, except for in The Hague, it was cold.
No, I'm
Even
talking.
though it was July.
Oh, do you remember Stuttgart?
Yeah, but we're talking about Netherlands right now, okay?
Yeah.
Netherlands, we were in Amsterdam and in The Hague. Den Haag. Did you like the trains?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was super cool. To the Hague, we went on a 2-story train, right? Back and forward.
Yeah.
It was really awesome. Oh yeah, we didn't get any trains in the Netherlands, but we did get some in Germany. We'll show them in a different video. Okay, thank you guys for watching.
And bye.